Yes, I reached 1 crore yearly income. I was super zapped to hear 17 of Iron Lady community members sharing this news over last 6 months. Isn't it fantastic? Unfortunately, many times women are not allowed to aspire big. They are not allowed to dream big. People say, why are you so aggressive? Go slow. Or people say, your husband is earning very well now. Why do you want to really earn so much? Or people say, money is not everything. Focus on your family. You need to balance. Can't women aspire big? Can't they achieve big results? I say, why not? If you can achieve big results at the same time have a fantastic family life. What are the top corporate war tactics that you can use to chase your big dreams and achieve big results? First one, beat the backlog. There might have been backlog in your growth because of various reasons. It could be break, it could be opportunity loss, it could be transition, it could be victim of politics, any of those things. How can you quickly beat that backlog, fill the gaps through identifying critical, big, hairy goals and strategic actions to achieve those? Beat the backlog, start winning with big goals. Second one, create an empowering environment that pushes you to dream and achieve big results. Start aligning every key person that matters to you in your life to your dreams, your success and your strategies. It could be your family members, it could be your boss, your investors, your key stakeholders or customers. Start using the tactics of powerful pitching to align them to your goals, to get them tuned into your dreams. Pitch powerfully and keep achieving breakthrough results. Third one, deal with politics that come your way. I am sure many of us don't want to get into dirty politics. You don't need to get into dirty politics, but you should be able to deal with it powerfully when it comes your way. If you don't deal with these politics, you will be considered a doormat and your big goals remain a far-fetched dream. Start looking around. Who are the people trying to pull you down? What are the politics that they are playing around you? It could be at home or it could be at office. Start dealing with it powerfully using corporate war tactics. Learn how to be Chanakya in this toxic environment. Start dealing with it and moving ahead towards your big goals. Visualize yourself winning every day. Start using the tactics. Keep moving towards winning. I intend to see you right at the top. Let's enable at least 1 million women to reach the top.